Hi dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to have a new lesson. It's called lowest common factor and it's the same as least common multiple. Okay, before we have taken the greatest common factor, it's the same as the least common factor but with slight difference between both of them. Both of them we have to use the prime factorization. First of all, if he gives me two numbers like 10 and 18 and asks me to have the or find the LCM. So 10 prime factorization divided by 2 gives me 5. We here divide by just prime numbers. And then divided by 5 gives me 1. So I have 2 and 5. What about the number here 18? 18 divided 2 gives me 9. Divided by 3 gives me 3. Divided by 3 gives me 1. So I have here 2, 3, 3 and here 2 and 5. So we write them like this: 2 multiply 5 and 2 here for the other number which is 18 multiply 3 multiply what? Multiply 3. Okay, unlike the greatest common factor, here the least common factor, we take what? We take here all the numbers. So 2 and 2, take from them just 1, 2. 5, we will take 1, 5. 3, we will take 1, 3. And the other 3, we will take another 3. So if I want to write them again, 10 here equal what? Equal 2 times 5. Okay, I'm writing them again. 18 equal 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. How can I get the LCM? I take from the here repeated 2 just 1, and here 5 comes alone, we take it. 3 comes alone, we take it. 3 comes alone also, we take it. Multiply them. 2 times 5, 10 times 3, 10 times 3, 30, 30 times 3 gives me 90. So the LCM now is what, guys? Is 90. Okay, here you are your practice book. We have here some exercises 9 and 12. Let's do 9. 9 divided 3 gives me 3, divided 3 gives me 1, and about the 12 it will be 12 divided 3 gives me 4. 4 divided 2 gives me 2. Divided 2 gives me 1. So I have here 3 and 3, 3, 2, 2. Okay, 3 and 3. And I want to change the color now. And I have also 3, 2, and 2. 3 multiply 2 multiply 2. So I'm taking from here both just 1. It comes alone, multiply 3. It comes here, multiply 2 multiply 2. 3 times 3, 9, multiply 2, 18, 18 multiply 2, 36. Okay, okay. And I need you to answer the rest of them by yourself. It's very easy. Here I have, and after doing this, check your answer by using here the answer key. I wrote it for you. Okay, guys? Okay. Here he asks me find the LCM of the denominators of the fractions. The denominator of the fraction is the down here. Up is numerator and down is denominator. So he asks me to find the LCM of 3 and 2. So 3, what's the 3 divided 3? 1, and 2 divided 2 gives me 1. So I have here the LCM is what? 2 multiply 3 equals 6. So it will be 2 times 3 equals 6. Okay, and here for 5 and 8, here I have 5. As you see here, 5 divided 5 gives me 1. What about 8? 8 divided 2 gives me 4. 4 divided 2, 2. 2 divided 2, 1. So I have here 3 2's and 1 5. To write them down each other, 2 times 2 times 2, and I have here just 5. So it will be very easy. I will take just 1 2, 1 2, and then 1 2, and then 5. Multiply them together, so you're gonna have the LCM. Okay, guys? Okay, what else we have here? Comparing and ordering fractions. Okay, when just a moment. Here, comparing and ordering fractions. So I have here, when I want to compare or order fraction, the denominator must be the same. I have here different denominators, as you see, 7, 8, 14, 28. So I have to make here the denominator the same by using the LCM, or the lowest common factor. So how can I do it? We have here 7, 8, 14, 28. I got here the lowest common factor. It will be 56. Okay, I want you to get here 7 and 8, 14 and 28, get the lowest common factor, and then you'll find it will be 56. So, okay, now 56 for every one. Okay, how can I get here 7 we have for the first one 4 over 7. 4 over 7, what happens to 7 to become here 56? 7 times 8. What I do for the denominator, I do it for the numerator. So it will be times 8. 4 times 8 gives me 32. So the first fraction is here 32. What about the second one? I have here 5 over 8. I want the denominator to be 56. 8 times what gives me 56? Times 7. What I do here down, I do up. Here multiply 7. So it gives me here, as you see, 35. This is the second. And what about the third one? I have here 5 over 14. 14 multiplies what? Gives me the 56, the common denominator. Okay, 14 multiplies 4. What I do down, I do it 4, or I do it up. Multiply 4, give me 20. So it will be 20 over 56. And the last one I have here is what? 17 over 28. I want the denominator to be 56. So what I do down, I do up. Okay, 28 times what gives me 56? Times 2. I will multiply the other times 2. 17 times 2 gives me 34. So I got here the 4 here fractions, the 4 new fractions, and they are equivalent. Remember, 32 over 56, 20 over 56, 35 over 56, 34 over 56. I do it as what? As from these two greatest. So I will start with 20, then I have here 32, then I have 35, then I have 34, then I have 35 over 56. Okay, here we have some other 3 over 4 or 3/4, and I have 9/16. It's easy to make the denominator here the same, or we have another method. We can make here the scissors. So I can do it like this, cross multiplication from down to up. 4 times 9, 36. 16 times 3, I do here 16 times 3. 3 times 6, 18. Carry up 1. 3 times 1, 3, and 1, 2. 28. So you have here 3 times 1, 3 3, 3, and 1, 4, 48. So I have here 48, and I have here 36, which is greater the 3/4. The 48, so it will be the greater. Okay, this is cross multiplication. Okay guys, here this question, he asks me which fraction is between 3/5 and 3/4. So I have to make the denominator common. So how can I get the denominator common? 4 times 5. LCM of 5 and 4 is 20, because 5 times 4 equal 20. Okay, so you have here this 20 down, and I have here 3 over 5. 3 over 5, what happens to 5 to become 20? Times 4. So this times 4, okay, it will give me 12. And the other one, I have 3 over 4. 3 over 4, okay, and I have here 20. What happens to 4 to become 20? Times 5. So this times the same 5. 3 times 5, 15. It will be 15 over 20. So what between 12 over 20, 15, 20? It's 11, 20. Okay, I have also here some questions, as you see, and these are the answers, and you'll find the problem solving in the next video. Thank you, my dear students, for listening. If you have any question, please send me on Google Classroom. Thank you. Bye bye.